It's told in the problem that there are 4 points which are coplanar. Okay, these 4 points, let me call them as A, B, C, D. These 4 points are coplanar, it seems. They are coplanar, all lying on the same plane. Let's say that they are all lying on the same plane of the board like this. What is the equation of the plane passing through them? So now, equation of the plane passing through A. Okay, equation of the plane passing through A. Equation of the plane through A is of the form like this, right? A into x minus, I'll call this point as x1, A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1, that is equal to, now if you see the question here, question is asking you what is the equation of the plane passing through. The 4 points are coplanar, they're told coplanar. Okay, so what is this answer that we get? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. So I can say here ax plus b times y plus 1 plus c times z plus 1 is equal to 0, right? That is, I'll put like this. Now, because they are coplanar, so all these 4 points should satisfy the plane equation, right? So now you substitute. Okay, this equation is also or this equation, I'll put it as equation 1, is also being satisfied by the point B. Okay, put x comma y comma z, that is equal to minus 4 comma 4 comma 4. So what do you get now? Minus 4x plus 4 plus 1 will be equal to 5b, correct? 5b plus 5c, that is equal to 0. This I'll call it as equation number 2. Put x comma y comma z, that is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 1. So your answer to the question here will be 4. Will be 4x plus 6y plus 2z, that is equal to 0. This is what equation number 3. Now you solve 2 and 3 by cross multiplication method. Is it okay? Solving equation 2 and 3 by cross multiplication method, CM method, I'll write cross multiplication method. What is the cross multiplication method? A, that is equal to B, that is equal to C, like this. Now here, this is nothing but A, right? So this is nothing but A, this is nothing but A here, A, B, C, I'll write A, B, C, this is A, B, C, right? Because x, y, z is being substituted, A, B, C. So what to do? When I say A, you have to write like this, 5, 5, say like this, 5, 5, and then 6, 2. So I can say A is equal to 10 divided by 10 minus 30. So what is this answer that we get? 10 minus 30. 10 minus 30. So A divided by minus 20, correct? That is equal to B. Leave this, B and B, you leave this. You write 5 minus 4 and 2 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. And then what is it? 2 and 4. So what is this answer that we get? That is equal to B divided by 20 plus 8. That is equal to B divided by 28, right? C means, leave the C and C. So minus 4, 5, 4 and 6. Minus 4, 5, 4 and 6. So that is equal to C divided by minus 24 minus 20. That is equal to C divided by minus 44. That is equal to, let me put it as K. Okay, let me put it as K, say. So what will be your answer? What will be your answer here? So I can say, here you can see that clearly 4 is common, right? So A divided by minus 5, that is equal to B divided by 7, that is equal to C divided by minus 11 is equal to K. So I can say A is equal to minus 5K, correct? A is equal to minus 5K, B is equal to 7K, and C is equal to minus 11K, correct? Substitute that value here now. Substitute that value here. Is it okay? If you substitute that value here, substitute in 1. What do you get when you substitute in equation number 1? You will get A is nothing but minus 5K. So I can say minus 5. That K everywhere will be common, right? So it's as good as not writing it. Minus 5x plus 7 times y plus 1 minus 11 times z plus 1, that is equal to 0. Minus 5x plus 7y plus 7 minus 11z minus 11, that is equal to 0. So minus 5x plus 7y minus 11z plus 4 No, not plus 4, minus 4 is equal to 0. So you can divide by minus 1. So I can say 5x minus 7y plus 11z plus 4, that is equal to 0. What you do? Substitute the fourth point and cross check for verification. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 63 plus 44 plus 4 should be equal to 0. It is matching, right? 0. So what is the answer to the question? This is the answer to the question. Easy to understand, easy to solve.